and welcome back. Today's tutorial is this braided low bun hairstyle. I got the inspiration for this look from one of my older tutorials, so I hope you enjoy today's video. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe down below, and let's get started. With my part on the right side, I'm going to start by dividing off a section of hair at my crown, and I'm going to pin down the right side and then wrap the left side over the top and pin it down with more bobby pins. Next, I'm going to separate out the back section of hair, so I'm just creating part lines right behind both ears and bringing the side hair over my shoulders. And then with this back section, I'm going to tie the hair together near the bottom with a clear elastic band. And then I'm going to roll this section upwards towards my head and pin it in place with bobby pins. Now I'm going to take the hair on the right side and divide it into two sections, a top and a bottom. And with the bottom section, I'm going to wrap this over the top of the bun and pin it in place with bobby pins. Then I'm going to do the same thing with the hair on the left side, taking the bottom section, wrapping it over the bun, and pinning it underneath with bobby pins. Now with the hair on the right side, I'm going to create a French braid, so I'm picking up a section near the part and dividing it into three pieces, and I'm going to start by crossing the right strand over the middle and then the left strand over the middle. Now I'm going to cross the right strand over the middle, pick up a new section and bring it into the braid. Then I'm crossing the left strand over the middle, picking up a new section and bringing it into the braid. And I'm just going to repeat those steps until I've brought in all of the hair from this right side, and then just continue the braid down to the ends. Now I'm going to go back over the braid, pulling on the edges to make it fuller. And then I'm going to lay it over the top of the bun, pinning it in place with bobby pins and tucking the ends into the middle of the bun. Now with the hair on the left side, I'm going to start a French braid and then switch to a lace braid. So I'm picking up a section near the part, dividing it into three smaller pieces, and I'm going to start by crossing the right strand over the middle and then the left strand over the middle. Now I'm crossing the right strand over the middle, picking up a new section and crossing it over and into the middle strand. Then I'm crossing the left strand over the middle, picking up a new section and crossing it over and into the middle strand as well. And now I'm going to stop adding in hair on the right side of the braid, so I'm crossing the right strand over the middle, then the left strand over the middle, picking up a new section and crossing it over and into the middle strand. And I'm just going to repeat those steps, creating a lace braid, only bringing in hair on the left side of the braid until I've brought in all of the hair from this side, and then I'm just going to braid the rest of the section to the bottom in a regular 3-strand braid. Now I'm going to go back over the braid, pulling on the edges to make it fuller. And then drape it over the bun and pin it in place with bobby pins. So that wraps up today's tutorial. Be sure to let me know what you think of this hairstyle down below in the comment section. Also, if you're new to my channel or you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. You can click my little picture right up here. Thank you so very much for watching, and I will see you next time.